A lot of times divorce cases become criminal and vice versa. And people need attorneys who know and specialize in those two areas because they unfortunately combine very often. And because of that, everyone in our firm is a former prosecutor in New York State at the district attorney's office. And because of that, we have our knowledge of the court system in criminal law, as well as the fact that we focus primarily on family law as well, and that our knowledge of the Supreme Court and family courts are very vast. People need to have attorneys who specialize in the specific area that they need, because you want an attorney who is a master of their field. We never guarantee results, but we guarantee you will get our best, and that the client will always come first. Additionally, because of our structure of our law firm, we are able to be in constant contact with our clients, always keeping them up to date of their cases, and always being able to tell them what's needed and necessary to push through their cases. Our entire law firm consists of attorneys who have all been prosecutors in the state of New York. And because of that, they know the ropes of the other side and can use that against them. And now, because of that, we can use our knowledge of the other side and use it for your side. When we are retained by a client, they get our complete attention. Other firms are unable to do so because of their size. Because of our structure in the White Law Group, we are able to focus on each client respectively, and so that they feel that they are number one, because they are number one. If you've been arrested, we offer free consultation to help you decide whether you should go to trial, whether you should take a plea deal, or whatever other option you may have. If you've been contacted by the NYPD or members of any law enforcement agency, do not talk to them. Call our law firm so we can discuss with you your options and rights. If you have been served with a summons for divorce, for custody, for child support, or neglect proceeding by Child Services, or you want to file for divorce, custody, or child support, or sadly you need an order of protection from family court, we can help you. If you need a prenuptial agreement before you get married, or a postnuptial agreement after you've already been married, we can help you with that as well. Our number one cause is the client. The client is always going to come first, no matter what time of the day. We are available 6 days a week to help that client. The White Law Group specializes in two areas, family law and criminal law. And unfortunately, the reason is because those laws go into each other many times. Unfortunately, criminal law cases can lead to divorce because of domestic violence or child abuse, which has been alleged to occur. And because of that, our services are usually needed. We primarily focus on those areas because our firm's attorneys are all former prosecutors in New York. The White Law Group has been practicing family and criminal law primarily for over 20 years, and there is no substitute for experience. You need the law firm that will be there for you at all times in your case and make you feel that you have your rights and that those rights are being protected. Because of our experience, we know the courts, we know the people working in the courts, and we are thus able to try to hurry a case quicker than those who have less experience in us. No case is guaranteed because no case is the same. All facts are different, and therefore no guarantees will ever be made by our firm. We can only guarantee you one thing. You will get our best and sole focus when you retain us.